Hey guys, it's Greg, Lost Friends Garage again. Hey, we're going to be doing some emergency brake cables on the 75 Triumph Spitfire. So why don't you grab yourself something to drink, maybe some ginger juice or a cold beer. Let's do this. I'm sitting here watching Steve's project garage. He's rebuilding the motor on his Spitfire. And I'm going to put out a challenge to you guys. I'm going to be doing this with most of my videos. I'm going to do a shout out. This one's to Steve. So I'm going to put a link up here, a card to his channel, and in the description down below. So go check him out. Good stuff. So let's get to it. Okay, as you can see, these are the ends here and here that go out to the wheels in the back. They have in the diagram to have the bracket facing in toward the differential, which I've done a lot of talking around, asking around, that if you do that, there's a spring that goes from that hole to the backing plate to where the lever is for the emergency brake. It puts the spring in a bind. And then somebody said that originally from the factory that was a mistake, and they just suggested to have it turned around, which is the way I've done mine, to face toward the wheel. And then you tension up with the adjustments on both sides where the wheels are, and then up toward the front where it is attached to the lever. You do your fine adjustments. So just to show you what I'm up to, the old one I broke. I don't have that piece with me. Trying to get the nuts off, I broke it just in front of this nut, which would be the first one on there. Broke it off. And so just to get the cable out and the old one out, I took the tire off. I had the tire back on, thinking, well, I wouldn't need back in there, but what do you know? So I took the cutoff wheel and I just cut the cable, since it's not going to be used anymore. It's junk, so make it easier to get it out. So that's my next thing I got to do. And then I got to remove the main cable from the lever, which is just held on by a pin. Well, this pin, and then this is bolted on, and it's fed up through this spring that's underneath the car where it comes through the body. This clip, I guess, holds that in place. So we got to get all that off too. Okay, so off camera I pulled it all back apart because I needed to clean them. I need to find that other spring and clean them up and painted them because I don't want them to rust. Oh, right there's the old spring right there on the back of the car. I'll grab that, clean it up, get it up there, give it a shot of paint. But before we put it together, I need to get all the nuts and that figured out where I need to put them at. Yeah, we're just going to get everything put together where we need it at. Let them dry. I still need to get the cable out from under the where the handle goes. So damn, I dropped a nut. Well, Bob One Ball here, and I'm here to talk to you about the Missing Nut Society. Many men across the nation, in the garage, backyard, under a tree, is always affected by nut loss. Yeah, nut loss just doesn't affect you, it affects other people around you. And there's many side effects to nut loss. depression, anxiety, grumpiness, and more. Hey guys, I'm Harold Onestone. I come out to my garage today and realized I'm lost one nut. And I thought I was going to be a victim society. And then just one day, I'm making progress. And just this morning, the Missing Nut Society sent out our response team to go help Harold Onestone get his nut back. That's right, the Missing Nut Society is backed by a great group of people. But there is great sacrifice. We want to thank Willie Oneball of our response team for sacrificing one of his nuts for Harold Onestone. That's right, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you, Willie Oneball, for one of your nuts. The happiness from Harold Onestone is from the community that we have here at the Missing Nut Society. You want to make a donation to the Missing Nut Society for just 79 cents a day goes a long way, bringing men with missing nuts back to their families and being leaders that they are meant to be. Yeah, once again, my name is Bob Oneball, and if you want to join our team or need help, please reach out to www.onenut.com or where'dmynutsgo.net.